Number 5 is the PUNEHOD A4 DTF L805 Transfer Printer. Prepare yourself for a fabric printing revolution in 2024 with the PUNEHOD A4 DTF L805 Transfer Printer. This remarkable device is a true game-changer when creating custom designs on textiles. Weighing just 6.7 kilograms, it may be lightweight, but don't underestimate its power. With a maximum input sheet capacity of 250 and an A4 sheet size, it effortlessly handles both small projects and large print runs. Versatility is its defining feature. The PUNEHOD A4 DTF L805 is a true powerhouse, delivering vibrant colors and exceptional adhesion with baked powder settings at 284 degrees Fahrenheit for 180 seconds. Achieving professional-grade results is a breeze with the heat press mode set at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 seconds. This versatile machine offers two convenient peel modes: cold peel, allowing you to wait 20 to 30 seconds after pressing, and hot peel, enabling you to peel off in just 5 seconds. The PUNEHOD A4 DTF L805 is more than just a printer, it's a comprehensive printing solution. Unveil a top-notch printer and a dependable curing oven inside the package, ensuring the durability of your prints, and you'll be provided with 100 DTF films to bring your designs to life. If you're interested in this printer, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best color printers for fabric in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your fabric will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these printers. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.